Hi there. So University of Palermo in Italy offers up to fully funded scholarships. And in this video, I will explain to you how to apply as an international student for these scholarships. So let's jump into it. So you have to go to this website, unipa.it. I have provided the link in the description as well. Let me first explain what this university really offers. So it's a public university and it was established in 1806. The acceptance rate is 60% and it is ranked in QS World Ranking in between 851 and 900 top universities. So minimum CGPA required is 2.5. It doesn't require any IELTS and it doesn't need any application fee. And then you have to go to extra EU enrollment. This means we are outside the EU. So if you are applying from outside the EU, then you have to use this link. Otherwise, you have to go on the link from the right. So here you will find the details on master's degrees and also bachelor's degrees. For master's degree, the step-by-step procedure is given here. You need to choose a degree program, prepare all the documents as PDF, and then apply you through portal. The timelines you can see, the deadline for masters is around 20th of July. And if you are from some specific countries, then you can go up to 30th of July as well. And in some cases, 30th of August. So again, you can check, they keep on changing their website. So for these dates, the required documents are a valid passport, a passport photograph, a copy of your bachelor's degree, all the transcripts, an official language certification, or a letter or certificate from university that you were having education in English. Also note that Duolingo test is not allowed, and you also have to prepare your CV as well. For tuition fee, there are two options. In the first case, if you belong to any of the countries which are listed as list A and B, then you have different fixed fee, and this is the total fee you have to pay for studying there. Or option 2 is based on the income, and you can get discounts based on that as well. For bachelor's, again, similar process, same steps with deadlines are given as well, and the timeline is also somewhere in August. You need to finish everything and do pre-enrollment. So again, you can read through all these details if you want to apply for bachelor's or master's program. Also, you can find many degree programs in English. So you click on this link here, and if you click on it, then you can see it lists all the degree programs which are offered in this university in English. So again, you can select based on your own requirements what degree program you're gonna choose. So there is a list of that. And you can see even nursing is included. I got a lot of messages about nursing related degree programs and scholarships, so you can apply if you are looking for a nursing degree. Similarly, if you are international student, so you can look for scholarship page there, and it explains the whole process of applying for scholarships. So there are other scholarships as well, rather than just that scholarship which you can apply and which is listed as part of the admission process, where the fee is around 200 to 300 euros to study in this university. So let's go back to the enrollment procedure, and then let's try to apply through for master's program. And you need to click on this portal link or copy and paste in your browser. And so you need to first do the registration here as an international student. If you are Italian, then you can use your tax code. Otherwise, you just go with the international student. And now it will ask for your personal details, which includes your surname. So I'm just writing some fictitious name for now. your first name or middle name, your gender, and your date of birth. So again, I'm going with some fictitious. Then you have to choose your nationality. From the list, and also the place of birth. So once you choose your country of nationality, then you can click on these three dots here, and then based on the country, you can find out your place of birth. So again, your place of birth you can choose from this list here, and then you select, and now you will choose the city where you are born. And once you have done that, you press confirm, and it will take you back to the actual form. So that's what you see. It has generated an fictitious, not a fictitious, but kind of a random Italian text code for you as well, which you can copy. And you have to now provide your email address and confirm your email address as well. And finally, to check if you're not robot, you need to really click on this thing. And once you have done, you go to the next step, and here it will ask you for the address. Since we don't have any Italian address, so we will only provide our current address. So again, I'm going to use some fictitious location to give the address. Then you select the city. Again, I'm just going with random countries and cities. You can choose your own. And now you will have to type down your street address and also the phone number. And the phone number, now again, I'm using the same country code as the one I'm using as a country of home address, so that the form doesn't give me any problems and it take me forward. So that's what I'm doing. Again, random number. I don't have an Italian address, so I will leave it blank in this case. And similarly for postal address, I can provide a postal address as well, which should be my home address. Sorry, I have to do it again because the form reset due to the internet issues. So again, I'm doing the same. Now I'll give my address and the phone number quickly. So let's use 10 Downing Street. Everybody knows what that address really means, but I'm just giving this random address from there. And similarly, I can give copy paste the same number, or maybe I just give 92 to be consistent with the country code and the country of residence. So that's done in my opinion. And now I don't have an Italian address, so I will give the postal address as the address where I currently reside. So I will select residential address, which is already given above, so I don't need to do anything in this case. Now for mobile phone, again, you can use your own mobile number. I'm using some random number here again. Okay. And then press. Let's check everything is correct. So if it is, then Then we continue, and it should take us to the next step, which is step 3. So we will check our details here. If everything is correct, then we confirm, and then it says that they will be sending us an email with the registration information with a link. So you need to click on that link, and then your registration will be completed. And then after that, we can log in and create our account. So you can see the email has arrived. So you can just click on this link to confirm your registration. And now you can confirm, and now you can log in and change your password using this link below here. So let's set our password first. It has automatically recorded our text code which we have asked it to send, so that's fine. And now we are inside the portal. So once we have received the one-time password, now we can confirm that password and change to our new password. So we will put the new password here, and then in the next text box we will put the confirmation. So that's what we have done now, and we press everything and log in, and now we are all done. So from here we will go to the login screen, and we will use our username and the password which we just set up to log into the admission portal. So here we are now in the admission portal, and we go with the future student because we are applying for as a new student. So we click on how to enroll. And then click on this enrollment application here. Once we have done that, it will ask us what you want to really apply for. So we are applying for enrollment in master's and bachelor's program, degree program. So we're going to select that and press next. Once we have done that, we are on the first enrollment information page, and it's asking us first that have you ever been previously enrolled at an Italian university? And obviously we haven't, then we will select no. If we have done it, then we will set yes, and it will have additional questions. And now since we are applying as a first enrollment to University of Palermo, so we will select that in the list, which is there already since it's our first university and we are applying for first enrollment year of 2025. You can provide some details, or you can just go next because it's not compulsory to provide many details. Now we are in the application form type, so we need to first select the degree type. So if we pull this list down, let's apply for master's in this case and select. And now we will have more questions. So okay, so go with this option. So you have to select the program which you want to apply. So in this case, I'm selecting computer science and artificial intelligence. So once I have done that, so you can see now I can go forward, and now it is asking me more questions about my curricular requirements. So am I a graduate student or am I a graduating? So if I have already graduated, then I will say I am a graduate student. If I am still studying and about to finish, then I will select I am a graduating student. Once I have done that, then it's asking me for an ID. If I am from the University of Palermo, then I can give my ID here by ticking this box. Since we are not from this university, so we will select the option which is below this, which is my university of origin is a foreign institution or another Italian university. Once you will select this option, then you will have to provide your grades. Again, you can convert your grades to GPA out of 4. You can use, because different universities use different grading systems. So you can ask ChatGPT or some other tools to really convert your actual grades from your university to the international system. So again, you can look at their documentation and find out which grading system is more appropriate. GPAs are okay, but some people go with a scale of 70. So whatever grading system you're using, just give your grade out of the total grades. That's what they are asking, or numbers. You can give percentage as well, so that's fine. Let's say if you have 80%, you will say 80 out of 100. Or if you have got total marks of 110 as credits and you got, let's say, 100, then you can give that way as well. So that's what you can do. So again, this just depends on the grading system your university uses and what you really prefer to give here. So 100 out of 110 should work. In this case, I'm just assuming. Also, if your degree is an honors degree, then you have to select yes here. Otherwise, say no. And also graduation date. If you are already graduated, since you have selected above graduate student, then you need to give the graduation date as well. So you press assess now, and then press next. So everything goes well, your assessment went okay, and now you are in the step 3 of your application. So your application type is okay, your degree program has been selected, you have given further details on the curricula, and now you need to upload all the documents which are needed as well. So you can upload your photograph as well as a passport photograph, and you can also upload the PDF documents here in this attachment section. And once you have done that, you press next. So now they will ask for the eligibility request, and for that you need to prove that you are from a country which is outside the EU. So for that you need to upload your copy of your passport, valid passport, and also a motivational letter. Write a motivational letter explaining your situation, financial conditions, and also what is the motivation of doing this computer science and artificial intelligence or whatever program you're selecting to study in this university. So that's what you have to do. And once you have done that, you attach the passport, which also you have to upload your transcripts as well. So here you can select transcripts, and you will have to select the transcript as well. So one by one, you will attach all the documents, and you will see the list of documents here. So once you have selected and uploaded all the required documents from the list here, then you should be good to go to the next step by confirming this. So once you confirm this, your application will be submitted. You can see this. You can always see your application forms in my application form menu here. So let's look at that. So when you go there, you can see your application form, which is here. And once it's submitted, you can always come back and check your application status here. And you can see your application is there, and it's waiting for degree coordinator to give some responses. So this way you can apply for this simple application form. It won't take more than half an hour if you have all the files and photograph ready for upload. And good luck with your application. And definitely you have to like this video and also follow my channel so that I can prepare similar videos in future. If I don't get any much more responses on this video, then definitely I will stick to the shorter videos where I will just make you aware of different applications which are open for scholarships. All the best.